Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
आम्ही प्लाझ्मा चालूच दवरतले. आमच्या डॉक्टरान ऑलरेडी सांगला की आमकां बरे रिजल्ट्स आयले. प्लाझ्मा बंद कर म्हणून खंयच येवंक ना. Indicate or no indicate, as far as Goa is concerned, Kerala is concerned, Goa is concerned, we find that the plasma, Remdesevir and steroids has been giving excellent results with the patient if it's timely used. So our doctors with their own experience will continue to give the treatment as is required. Goa will continue to use plasma along with a combination of Remdesevir. 70% is the recovery rate in this combination and this combination. So we are not going to stop. We are going to use our doctors from the private sector and government sector which is an expert committee, and as a result under this expert committee whatever is decided that will be the protocol for the state of Goa.
पोस्ट कोविड कॉम्प्लिकेशनाचेर लक्ष दिवंक जाय. दिसाक 2000 वयर कोविड टेस्टिंगचे टार्गेट.
Today as far as Goa is concerned as a government, and this state government is doing all it can to see that we are able to save lives of people. We are able to also ensure that thorough monitoring of home isolation is done. Just now we had a discussion that post-COVID complications also are going to be digitized and monitored. We are also seeing a lot of people come with post-COVID complications. Post-COVID complications also need to be monitored. Already in South Goa District Hospital, we have started the post-COVID treatment and post-COVID ward. Testing जावंक जाय. टेस्टिंग जाल्यारूच आमकां खरे पिक्चर्स कितें आहा तें एक्झॅक्टली कळटलें. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना रेट देंवता न्ही, आतां तुवें जे प्रश्न विचारले तुका एक ऑनस्ट आन्सर दिता. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना देंवता ऑटोमॅटिकली नंबर ऑफ केसीस बी देंवतले, आनी तेज्या खातीर आमकां एक फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन घेवन रावपाची गरज ना.
नायट क्लब आनी हॉटेलांनी SOP पाळची. नेम मोडल्यार खंय एक्शन जातली.
And as a result of which we have taken it up very aggressively with the collectors that they should ensure that these clubs and all must mention 50% only they can have those people. What are those SOPs of Government of India should be strictly followed. State SOPs are also there. They cannot have people without masks. They cannot have no social distancing. And those videos which came are very shameful. Actually, the people, the onus is not on the government all the time, and not on like secretary or myself. Every time people feel that what is the administration doing? The onus is also on the owners of these particular nightclubs, and also on the individual that is visiting nightclub. If you don't wear masks.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.